Hey guys, so today we're heading to the store. We're actually in the store now because we're going to purchase a few items we need to make our creamy curry lobster pasta, right? So we're just choosing some cheese here. We're going for the sharp cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna get some pasta as well. This is the pasta that we're going to use. Any brand that you prefer, you can go ahead and use that brand, and then I opted to this one instead. I'm also going to go ahead and pick up a few stuff, not necessarily for the pasta but for my home. So we have here some beetroot. I have a video uploaded on the beetroot punch as well as the juice. I can also put a link in the top right corner where you can check it out. And look at these fresh produce, guys, straight out of jam dung. I'm gonna also make some corn, and yeah, you know it's Christmas in the here, so yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so today we are make some creamy curry lobster pasta. Yes, so from gonna see the lobster right here, you know it's something to do with lobster as a part of the ingredients. We also have here the pasta that we purchased from the store, as well as some sharp cheddar cheese and some cooking cream. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to whip up a simple, easy and delicious creamy curry lobster pasta. I'm a mutter drain water just to say the recipe that we're making today. So guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So I'm going to prepare the lobster. So to the boiling water, add the lobster. You're going to allow the lobster to cook for about 15 to 30 minutes, right? So you want the lobster half done. Okay, and after the 15 to 30 minutes, this is how it is looking. We actually let it stay for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to go over to preparing the rest of the ingredients for this recipe. So for the lobster, we only need the lobster tail because that's where the meat is. You just twist the bottom and then you pull it out. We're going to wash off the waste and then remove the meat from the shell, and this is how it is done. Afterwards, we're going to cut the lobster into small pieces and add with our chicken, which is already seasoned, and then we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or just a pinch of salt depending on the amount of meat that you're using. And we're also going to add some curry, so you can add the curry base on your liking as well as the amount of salt that you prefer, or if you don't want any salt to be added to it, that's up to you guys. Mix everything so you can get the seasoning, the curry and the salt fully combined into the meat. So we're moving along to the pasta. So to the boiling water, we're going to add the pasta. So depending on the family size, you know you want to increase the amount of pasta that you add. This is just for 2 servings, so I'm not going to add a lot of pasta because you know that when the pasta is cooked, it will swell, right? So you just want to take that into consideration. You don't want to use a lot because it's going to swell, guys, once it is cooked. So you're just going to leave it there to cook until it is fork tender or until it is soft. So when you pierce the fork through the pasta, it goes right through. That's how you know that it is cooked. To the pot, I'm going to also add 2 corn. Guys, it doesn't matter if you boil the corn in the same water with the pasta. It's just boiling both of them. Nothing is wrong with that. So yeah, you can go ahead and pop those into the same boiling water as the pasta. Remember to also add the salt to the pot. While the pasta go and boil on the current, we're just going to go ahead and grate the cheddar cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese, you could also go ahead and use it. Whatever cheese you have of your choice, you could go ahead and use the cheese that is readily available to you, because I want to make this pasta creamy. Alright, so this is how it is looking. The pasta done cooked, so we're gonna move over to cooking the curry lobster and the chicken together. So for this recipe, I'm going to use some butter, melted butter. If you have oil, olive oil, or whatever oil you have of your choice, you can go ahead and use it as a substitute. I prefer to use the butter here. We're going to add the meat to the pot and allow it to cook based on your perfection. So to the same pot, I'm going to add the cooking cream. So I'm going to pour out the entire thing. I'm also going to add the grated cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and combine everything so we can get that cheese melted into the curried lobster with the cooking cream. Look at that, guys. It is very creamy and delicious. Look at that cheese. Very saucy. Afterwards, you're going to add the cooked pasta to the sauce. And you want to coat the pasta into the sauce. So you're going to add as much pasta as you'd like and combine everything. Right, look at that, guys. Very creamy and delicious, mouth-watering. It's very saucy, guys. It's very creamy. All of the people that love cheese, we know not gonna love this. And I just went in and had some carrot, guys, some shredded carrot. Right, so to add a little twist on it, I went and had some shredded carrot. And yeah, we're just going to mix everything so that it can be fully combined. And this is not gonna take you about 5 minutes, so it's gonna take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Continue to toss, and we had here some green onions or scallion and some thyme. I do hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you do, give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Look at that, mouth-watering, creamy, delicious curry lobster pasta. Very creamy, nice. It is showing very dull as a result of the flash, but this is how it is actually looking, guys. Very lovely. Bye.